Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change time on Infiniti QX50, full guide. Start by tapping settings on the center display, then choose clock and use the dial or touchscreen to adjust hours and minutes. Make sure AM or PM is correct and press save. If your vehicle uses a separate instrument cluster option, repeat the same steps there. This guide keeps everything simple and clear so you can set the right time quickly. To adjust the instrument cluster clock, use the steering wheel controls to open the cluster menu and find clock settings. Press the up or down buttons to change hours and minutes, then hit OK to confirm each value. Some models sync automatically, so check the center display to ensure both clocks match. If they do not, manually set both locations to the same time to avoid confusion while driving. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful car videos. Quick recommendation, I really like Darn Tough socks for long drives. They feel great and last forever, which is kind of like keeping your car clocks accurate. Check the description for the link and other deals. You might enjoy the recommendation. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Many Infiniti systems can sync the clock with your phone over Bluetooth or via network time. After pairing, open settings and look for time or clock sync, then enable automatic updates if available. If your time zone differs or the car shows an incorrect time, disable sync and set the clock manually using the display or cluster controls. This keeps your trip logs and navigation accurate without repeated manual changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.